Hello! So today we're gonna do an unboxing for the HealBe GoBe3. It's a smart band designed specifically for tracking calories and measuring your sleep and steps and all the fun stuff. They have a wonderful little system here that allows you to track the amount of calories you've actually consumed and monitor your emotional state and your water levels. And they use this lovely technology called Flow. There you go, you can see it there. And that's basically doing some analysis of the difference in electric potential within the intracellular fluid on the surface of your skin, and then using that to detect and measure how many calories you've eaten and breaking it down into fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, which is pretty impressive if it works. I've had the previous two models of GoBe. Both of them have their flaws, particularly when they stop working, so trying again. So with this one, let's open it up and see what we get inside. So it comes in a lovely snap box. As you can see, it just slides right out. Gets shipped from Hong Kong, so you have to wait probably about a month and a half before they actually ship it, and then they're really terrible at letting you know when it's actually shipped, so you end up finding out once it's asking you to pay the import tax rather than when they actually send you the shipping notification, which I only got after chasing them over email, but hey, it got here eventually. So the device itself, as you can see, it's sort of your typical smartwatch style design. The one saving grace, and the only reason why I've considered it, is in this one the charger is actually inside of here. So you open it up here and you stick the cable inside of there, I believe. Oh great, it's with contacts again. Oh boy, let's see if this is any better. The reason I didn't like the previous GoBe is because the contacts charging mechanism it uses just ends up basically not working after a while, so it'll be interesting. Got the sensors under that plastic there, plastic over the watch face. That is a little disappointing. I was hoping that the cable plugs directly into there, but instead you've got some contacts, which then the charging cable will go into, no doubt, so you get that. You've got this wonderful pull here to set up, download the app. You've got an app on iPhones and Androids and iOS devices. The app is actually reasonably decent, but yeah, it's more getting the device to work that's always a challenge. So a little manual, something in Chinese, the warranty, some instructions, which fortunately are in Chinese as well as in English. Oh, does it have any other languages? Let's see. English, Russian, Japanese, Chinese, yep. And then the charging cable. So, okay. So here they've put the charging cable where there's USB on one end. And then you've got this going directly into where the contacts are going to be joined. I was hoping it would be some, like, USB standard of charging, like maybe USB-C or even the micro USB, but apparently it's not. They've gone for their own proprietary interface. Anywho, so that's what you get in the box. One charging cable, one GoBe3 device, and that's pretty much it. A bit of instruction manual. So not all that impressive in terms of boxing and kind of contents, but what will be interesting is to see if the actual tracking on it does provide any additional data or utility that some of the other devices I have don't. So for the record, I've been struggling to track my sleep with this Polo device. Also got the Oura Ring, and none of them properly seem to get all the sleep data, so according to them I'm not sleeping properly at night even though I know I'm asleep. So interesting to see what sleep data this provides. And then also the calorie tracking, I'm going to pair it against a sort of in vitro blood glucose monitor And between the two, we'll see if the blood glucose monitor and the calorie tracking pair up. And if they do, then I'll know that at least this is consistent. All right, that's all for now. Bye.